Creating a profitable KDP coloring book using AI is a concept that's gaining incredible traction in 2025, and for good reason. With the rise of artificial intelligence, we can now produce high-quality content at an unprecedented rate, and coloring books are no exception. Tools like AI Maze Generator by Creati, Maze Puzzle Maker, and Maze Guru have revolutionized how we approach design creation for our KDP coloring books. When it comes to creating a successful KDP coloring book, authors face common challenges. Standing out in a crowded market, generating unique and engaging content, and maintaining consistency are just a few hurdles we need to overcome. But with AI-powered tools, we're finding innovative solutions to these problems. For instance, AI Maze Generator by Creati helps us create intricate puzzle designs that captivate our audience, while Maze Puzzle Maker excels at generating stunning mandala patterns that would take hours to create by hand. Maze Guru specializes in complex maze patterns, adding another layer of engagement to our coloring books. By also leveraging Titan's quick view, authors can effectively streamline their puzzle-making process. This powerful tool allows us to preview our coloring book designs in various formats, ensuring they look perfect before we hit publish. It's a game changer for quality control and helps us maintain consistency across our coloring book portfolio. Now, here's an exciting strategy we're implementing to boost sales and customer satisfaction in 2025. We're offering an immediate download link with our Kindle ebook. This way, when customers purchase our KDP coloring book, they receive a link to download a digital version instantly. This means they can start enjoying their new coloring book right away, printing pages at home. Kindle isn't known for coloring book design, but with this process, you can easily gain momentum and traction within the niche. This instant gratification not only enhances the customer experience, but also sets us apart from competitors. It's a win-win situation. Your customers get immediate access to their purchase, and you build loyalty and positive reviews, which in turn drives more sales. By combining these AI-powered design tools with smart marketing strategies like instant downloads, you're not just creating coloring books, you're crafting an entire experience for your customers. This approach helps you scale our KDP business efficiently while maintaining the high quality your audience expects. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to never miss an update.